We have already shared many indicators and strategies with you. I hope you are following them, and many have requested for new strategies. However, if you watch our videos well and gain good knowledge from them, then it is our pleasure. Today we will share a strategy, but here we will show you how you can use these two indicators to find strong entries. Surely you may have heard the names of these indicators before, but today we will show you how to find a good entry zone by using these two indicators in a short period of time. Different traders use these indicators in different ways to trade together. We will also learn today how to trade using multiple indicators and how they transmit signals. Each indicator moves with its market price, but their movements are not the same. Each indicator provides one type of signal. The indicator we will use today is called Bollinger Bands, and stochastic, we will use these two indicators. Before that, take a look at how to set up these two indicators. So when we come to Trading View here, we will first click on the indicator option. Then a page will appear where we will click on the search option. Then search by writing the name of the indicator. We will first set up Bollinger Bands. So I searched by writing its name, and this indicator came in front of us. Click on it once, then the indicator will be set up. We set up. Now let's set up the stochastic indicator in exactly the same way. We will set up this indicator by searching. So we search and we get it, so we are done. This time let's see how to follow these two. So the way you enter following this strategy is when the market moves up and touches the upper band with a candle, you wait and note the position of that candle. That is, wait until the candle closes. Then note whether the candle touched the upper band with shadow or was touched by the body. You must know body and shadow. This thick part of the candle is called the body, and the thin spots on both sides are called the shadow. So your main task will be to take a sell entry when the candle shadow touches the upper band. And so you wait until the candle ends. That is, the main thing is that when the market touches the upper band with the candle, then you wait until the candle closes. When it closes and another new candle starts to form, you will see the shadow touch the upper band, then you will take a sell entry. You can see on the screen that the shadow has touched the upper band of the market, so you will take a sell entry at such a moment. And you can see the market then go down to the lower band, so you will take an entry from this placement. I hope you understand. Now you can see the market body has touched the upper band, but you don't take entry from such placement. Only touching the shadow will take the entry. This is a very simple strategy that you can easily follow. If you check the past markets, it is seen that market moves in this way. For example, it has touched the lower band here, and then the market went up to the upper band, and again turned back to the lower band. So you can follow it and trade. Now stochastic indicator. First of all, the two lines here you can see, one is K% that is red and the other one is D%. So when both the lines go up, the market will be in overbought position, but then you will not take any entry. A lot of people make this mistake when the market goes to the top and they take an entry, which is absolutely wrong. You must have recognized the overbought and oversold lines here. The line above here is the overbought line and the line below is the oversold line. So when the market forms an uptrend structure and goes up and crosses the overbought line, and thus the green line crosses the red line and goes down, you get a sell signal. But do not enter immediately after crossing the line from bottom to top. Take entry when these lines turn and start going down from top to bottom. I say gain when the market is in an overbought position, then when the green line crosses the red line and goes down, then you can take entry. In general, don't take the entry when the green line crosses the red line. After crossing, wait a little, and when you see that the line goes down and comes close to the overbought line, take the entry. because sometimes the green line crosses the red line, but it goes up again. As you can see here, the lines were in overbought position and the lines crossed, but didn't go down again. The market went higher, so you wait a bit to get a better signal when you see the line just like this. After crossing, it comes down to overbought, then you take entry. The lines will go from the bottom to the top, then the green line will cross the red line and go down, and you will actually take a sell entry when this overbought line is near. In this way, you can easily take entry from the downtrend market. When the lines come down and the market is in a downtrend and then goes below the oversold line, then the green line crosses the other red line and goes up, then you get a buy signal, and when it approaches the oversold line, you take a buy entry. Hopefully you understand the terms of using these two indicators. Now let's see how to follow these two indicators together this time. By now you have understood how to analyze and take entries with these two indicators. We have shown separately. Now I will tell you how to follow together. Suppose you get a sell entry from the Bollinger Band, then you will notice at the stochastic indicator, if D% and K% lines will rise above the overbought line and cross each other and go down, then you will get a sell signal from there as well. So if you get the same signal from two indicators, then you can safely take an entry. As you can see here, we can see in the Bollinger Band the market has been touched by the shadow, so we are getting a sell signal from here. And similarly in the stochastic indicator, we can see the D% and K% lines are rising above the overbought line and crossing each other and going down, so take an entry from here. So I think you understand. Again, in the same way, if we get the same signal from two indicators, then entry can be taken from here from downtrend market. Again, you can easily set up TP with the help of the indicator here. That indicator is Bollinger Bands. This indicator has three lines. The first is the upper band, the second is the middle band, and the last one is the lower band. When you order a sell from the upper band, you can take TP up to the lower band if you want. And after the end of the candle, which will touch the upper band, you can set up SL a little above it. Hope you understand, and no more problems.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.